What's going on, guys? Today's little project, we'll be making a plexiglass for the leasing office, for the leasing desk and the manager's desk. And what we got here is some 3/4 inch PVC, got some T's and 90s, and a couple caps. So what I did was got some plexiglass at Lowe's, and then I just framed out the PVC around the plexiglass. And then we came down here with a T, I'm going to make a leg come down with another T, and then each piece will go across. That way it have a little stand to stand up. So we finished getting this framed out, peel off the plastic, and then we'll set it up here and we'll see what it looks like. And I got one more to do. Alright, now I'm starting on the second one. Got the first one done. There it is. It's a full 48 inches across, 24 inches high, and I had the legs 8 inches high. That way that'll sit right on the desk in the office. And then the next one be right here. It's a little shorter. Got the plexiglass right here ready to go. So I'll lay that on top, pre-drill my holes, and then get ready to make the legs for this. Just going to measure these down where I need them, put the T on there, and then make the two legs go in each direction, just like this one here. And that'd be pretty much it. Just a little plexiglass shield for the office. Get this one here together, and we'll see what it looks like. Two for that side. This would be the two for down here. Alright, now we'll get ready to put the plexiglass down on, and we'll pre-drill the holes for that, and we'll mount that. Alright, now we're going to get around and pre-drill all the holes. Got a 1/8 drill bit, and I'm going to use these screws here. The number 8 3/4 inch pan screws. That's what we're going to use to hold it on. So now I'm going to go ahead and pre-drill. I'm going to set 2 screws in there so it doesn't move. Lift it up, finish peeling off the plastic on the back side. Alright, now we've got all of them pre-drilled. Now we're just going to run the screws in. Just want to take them in nice and slow, and don't snug it up too much or you'll crack the plexiglass. Alright, now go ahead and put our legs in here. Make these ones a little taller, just from the location that this is going in. Needs to be up a little higher. This one here. Caps on. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. Alright, got them all done. Here's a shorter one, a little taller. And we got the longer one, so it's going to be a little lower. These are just how the desks are positioned. So that's pretty much it. Alright, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.